Welcome to Wild Charge. I really hope you've been enjoying my content. Here I am about to enter 2024. Go ahead and follow along with me here on this channel by subscribing, following, joining any of the social medias where you will find Wild Charge 10. Otherwise, you could also even just follow along and get your own calendar. I got mine from Amazon, but if you happen to know someone locally who's selling this calendar, get it from them. You'll be helping a small business. And of course, let's quickly look back here as I flicker through these pages of all the different Pokemon we could have gone through together in 2023. But that's alright. I am more than excited to go through the Pokemon we will talk about together for Pokemon of the Day in the new calendar and in the new year of 2024. Wishing you all the best, and I hope you all achieve your goals and your endeavors. See you then.